Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about the wonderful benefits and uses of cedarwood essential oil. So I'll try to be quick and to the point here in today's video, and then again all the links to what we discussed in the video will be available in the description box below, so you can check it out later on. So cedarwood essential oil is a great oil that originates from the cedar trees that usually come from or originate in Morocco, and it has been widely used in ancient Egypt. It's also been used in other cultures as well, and usually it has a sharp and fresh and woody aroma to it. One of the top ways to use cedarwood essential oil is to help you with issues with bronchitis, with chest problems as well, in regards to coughs and colds. It's also great to be used as a nourisher to the skin, especially when it comes to oily skin. So cedarwood is one of the best oils to be used for oily skin. Please, if you suffer from dry sensitive skin, don't use this cedarwood essential oil on your skin, because it can actually cause it to even more dry out and cause undesired effects that way. So I feel like cedarwood is great for oily skin because it's great for acne, eczema as well, and also cracked skin. That way it energetically, cedarwood is used to help with issues relating to panic, anxiety, overburn, emotional instability, because it's very calming, and it's really great. The best way to get the emotional benefits of cedarwood essential oil is to inhale it, of course, with the use of a humidifier or with the use of a ceramic tea light burner. That way to inhale the cedarwood essential oil in order to help in the relaxation and to help with it when it comes to stress and panic, of course. Now the blends for the cedarwood is basically always remember to dilute it correctly. If you have any issues when it comes to skin, oily skin, acne, then use about 2 to 3 drops of cedarwood essential oil. Combine that with another essential oil like tea tree, because tea tree is amazing when it comes to acne, when it comes to oily skin as well. And combine it also with lavender, because cedarwood and tea tree together could be very strong on the skin, even if we're dealing with acne skin or if we're dealing with oily skin and we really want to help to take away the excess oils. We still need to nourish the skin at the same time, so introducing a floral essential oil like lavender or rose would be amazing, because it would create the balance that we need. So for the on the skin topically for acne and oily skin, then again 3 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of tea tree, and about 5 drops of lavender. You don't have lavender, then you can use either chamomile essential oil or rose essential oil. You place it in an amber bottle along with 20 milliliters of jojoba essential oil, and you use that as a cleanser. And it's really great because it disinfects and sanitizes the skin, and it nourishes it as well, and great for acne. Now please make sure to do a patch test, because this video is for informational purposes only, and I can't give a recipe or advise you to do something. I'm only talking about the effects and the benefits of this essential oil. I don't understand your specific conditions, your specific skin types and so forth, so it would be wise to make sure you do a patch test to understand if you have any sort of allergies to a specific oil 24 hours prior to using the blends that we suggest in this video. So another way to use the cedarwood essential oil, for example, when it comes to stress, is to combine cedarwood and lavender in a humidifier or an vaporizer, and this will really help as well. You can also use it as a massage oil, of course, after diluting it with a carrier oil properly. It's great to massage pulse points with a carrier oil and cedarwood and lavender, great for helping to calm that way as well. So we've reached the end of our video today. Please let us know if you're interested in videos similar to this, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for supporting us. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.